thinks he's Tarzan.
His shield wasn't even showing for me.
He dropped. He's in the water.
Nice boost! Oh my god, get him, George! George, no way, I just gave you the best boost ever
That
and you
boost was
missed.
insane. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. I like went past him.
Guys, I don't have any food. Do you have any food? Can you drop some on the floor?
Oh my god, you boosted me into a tree.
I have no food.
None? Jesus.
None. Not a bite. Or just
What is
munch.
this?
Oh,
he
my
jumped.
god. Okay, wait, there's no way for us to get down. We have water.
Okay.
Anyone have water?
I have
There's
this.
water
I have
there.
this. I have this.
Do we follow him or do we stay?
Oh
my god, I missed! I missed!
Oh my god, get his.
Christ.
I thought the water was closer.
I think we just grab some stuff, Loki.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
make
don't
a
even know where
furnace,
he.
like,
I don't even
I'm-
see him in this like cave.
This thing is huge. You could literally be anywhere.
Oh, bad. Look, I'm behind you.
Oh, hello.
Oh my god, I'm fighting a skeleton. Oh my god, no, please. God!
Oh.
Probably died to a
Coffee.
skeleton.